Do you have these 6 buckets in your money management system? If not, please make sure that you have these 6 buckets so that you can manage your money well. But why money management? You may be asking this question. Let me tell you one interesting story. There was a girl who was very fond of ice cream, and one day she went to her dad and asked this, "Dad, can you give me one ice cream?" And she is the only child, and dad was very happy, and dad took her to the ice cream shop. And he took her one ice cream which is having one scoop in that ice cream. She was very happy. She was just playing outside and she was very happy. She was enjoying. While she was playing and enjoying, that one scoop ice cream has fallen down. She tried to pick it out, but her good dad said, "No, don't pick it out, because I will give you another ice cream." And they went back to the shop, and now at that time she saw an ice cream with 5 scoops. And as she was very fond of ice cream, she asked her dad, "Dad, can I get that 5 scoop ice cream?" And dad said no. Do you know why? Because if she could not able to manage that 1 scoop ice cream, how she can manage that 5 scoop ice cream? Yes, it's an interesting story. Now tell me, if you were in the dad's position, would you give that 5 scoop ice cream to your daughter? If yes, write it in the comment section why you are giving. If no, write it in the comment section why you are not giving. Now, why I am telling this story? Many a times we are not able to manage money which you are getting from the universe. Maybe from salary, passive sources of income. Maybe imagine that you are getting 1 lakh rupee and you were not able to manage that money. Then how you can expect 10 lakh rupees from the universe or the job? Because you are not able to manage that money. Now, with this incident, the money management system is very, very important. Now, how you can do that money management system? Get these 6 buckets for you. Now, what does it mean? Okay, why wealthy people are wealthy today? Because of these 6 buckets. And now, which is the first bucket? The first bucket goes to your financial freedom account. Now, what is this? The 10% from your salary every month has to go to financial freedom account. That means you have to invest that money, and you have to save that money, and you have to invest that money only for your retirement or financial freedom account. You cannot use that money till you plan for your retirement or financial freedom. The next important bucket, again with the 10%. Now, what is this 10%? Here also you are saving 10% for your long-term financial goals. You know what are the long-term financial goals? Maybe you want to buy a house, you want to give a good education to your children, you want to travel abroad, or you want to go for a higher education, whatever it may be. But that is a long-term goal. But when you have long-term goal, if you imagine that you are saving that money only for that goal, and after certain years you are removing that money. So if that is the case, you are spending that money later, and only for that you should have another bucket, that is 10% bucket. The third important thing is necessities. Majority of the people are doing this mistake. Even if you are doing these mistakes, please let me know in the comment section. Normally, as soon as the money comes, our money goes for EMIs, bills, a grocery, or all other utilities, or the premiums, loan, EMI, right? But what wealthy people are doing, they have a limit for that. They are not spending more than 55% from their income. So what if, imagine that you are spending more than 80%, 90% only for these things, where you have money for saving, where you have money for other things. So make sure that you will not spend more than 55% from this bucket for your necessities, and that too your EMI is included. And when your EMI is included, make sure that you will not spend more than 35 to 40% for your EMI. Otherwise, you will be in a trouble, and you have to take more and more loans to pay off the loans, and you cannot enjoy your life. You cannot spend good quality time for your passion, or for making more money, because your head, your mind is always behind that loan. Next important bucket, that is for self-rewarding. You are the important person. You are enjoying, you are earning money. Are you able to safeguard, or like, are you able to appreciate yourself? If not, please start doing that. It may be for your self-splurging, means self-rewarding. You reward yourself, you love yourself. If you don't love yourself, how you can expect others has to love you? If you are not rewarding yourself, the work which you are doing, how others can do that? So please spend maximum 10% for your self-splurging. You can go for a spa, gym, or you can go for outing, you can do a party. You have to enjoy, you have to reward yourself. The next important aspect of another bucket, that is for your self-education. Tell me frankly in the comment section, after you have joined the job, have you spent some money for your own self-education? Today, there is a lot of threat of automation, AI, ChatGPT, and people are losing out their job because of this. Are you spending money for your self-development? Are you spending money for your professional development? If not, you have to spend that money. At least keep 10% for your self-development, professional development, so that you can upgrade your skills. You can update what is going on and you can use those skills for earning more money. And last but not the least, very important, that is the last bucket, that is 5%. Now this is for charity. Give back to the society. What goes around, that comes around. You may be having your time, you may be having your some resources, some skills, knowledge. Please share that to the world, because that gives you more confidence and that helps you to earn more income as well. You can increase that 5 to 10% as well when you reduce from necessities. Okay, so you can use this bucket as per your wish, but these 6 buckets are very important. So these are the 6 buckets. Tell me how many buckets at present you have and how you are planning your next budget from these 6 buckets. Okay, I want to know more from you. Please make sure that put your bucketing system in the comment section. I would love to know about that. Hi, I'm Dr. Maria, Financial Wellness Specialist. I'm committed for your success. Please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and share it to maximum number of people, so that like you, there are many people also can use this and they can also become wealthy, because wealthy people are following these bucket system.